In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get next Monday's date in Excel, and we'll accomplish this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing your week, planning projects, or setting deadlines, knowing how to calculate the next Monday in Excel can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in. First, we need to get started by launching Microsoft Excel. You can find Excel in your Applications folder or search for it in your computer's search bar. Once it's open, you'll see options to open a new workbook, and it's here where we have our first decision to make. You can either start fresh with a new workbook or continue with an existing one. If you're already working on a file and want to integrate this feature, go ahead and open that file. Otherwise, starting with a new workbook is a straightforward choice. Next, we want to ensure we're ready to input our formula. Choose a cell that is empty, where you'd like the next Monday's date to be displayed. It's often a good idea to select a cell that's appropriately spaced and perhaps labeled to identify what that date will represent for future reference. Now it's time to input the magic formula. To calculate next Monday's date, you'll want to use the Excel formula, today, plus 7, or weekday, today, is 2. Essentially, this formula identifies today's date and then uses the function weekday to determine how many days are left until next Monday. The 2 in that function ensures that our week starts on a Monday, which adjusts the calculation correctly for a week starting in that way. After you've typed out the formula exactly as mentioned, you'll press enter. Immediately, Excel will calculate and display the next Monday's date in the cell you selected. This powerful feature streamlines the process without the manual hassle of counting days or checking your calendar. In some cases, you might find the date displayed in a format that doesn't suit your needs. If this happens, you can easily format the cell to your liking. Simply right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. From the options that appear, choose the Date category. You can also customize how the date appears according to your regional settings or personal preference. Once you're satisfied, hit OK, and you'll see the date refreshed in the format you've chosen. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to quickly and efficiently find the next Monday's date in Excel. This straightforward method not only saves you time, but also helps keep your work organized and precise. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial adds value to your Excel skills and productivity.